Helping your buyers make a decision after viewing a property can be challenging. Keep watching for some techniques on how to make this process easier. Welcome back to another session of RE/MAX Charge Up. I'm Haley, your RE/MAX Europe trainer, and in this video, you're going to learn how to help your customers make one of the toughest decisions they'll ever make. One of the most exciting things about being a buyer agent is finding the properties that might be your customer's dream home, but helping them narrow down those options and deciding on one property is equally important. For many buyers, this is a really challenging step, so it's up to you to guide them through the decision-making process step by step. Here's how you can do that. It may seem funny, but the best way to steer a decision is to let someone else lead. So when you visit a property, be careful when pushing your own opinions. Your role is to support them by pointing out things, good or bad, that an excited or emotional customer might miss. As we learned in one of our earlier videos, asking questions is a great way to approach the conversation. Then, use the answers you get to form another question that will help the buyer start the process of elimination in their head. Try this script to give you an idea. Could you see yourself living in this home? No, it's too small. So you feel it's too small. Is there anything else? It has no view. So you feel it's too small and it has no view. Is there anything else? No. Then let's play a game. If you had to buy a home today and this was the only home available, would you buy it? You may need to assure the customer that you're not selling. But if they answer with yes, this becomes the home to which the next home is compared. If they answer with a no, tear the showing package in half and move on to the next home. Finding a dramatic visual, like tearing the property expose, is a fun way to symbolize that the property is no longer an option and should help the buyers really eliminate it in their head. The clearer they get on which properties they don't like, the easier it will be for them to see the ones they like the most. On the other hand, if your buyer is showing strong signals they're interested in buying, positively reinforce that. Once the property tour is over, however, you could still end up with 2 or more very close properties, and here's where a cost-benefit analysis will help you cut through to what really matters. Ask the buyers to weigh 2 main factors, the costs on the one side versus the benefits on the other. But keep in mind, the cost in this case isn't always the price. A low price could be one of the benefits, but maybe the cost for getting that great deal is that the buyer needs to accept smaller bedrooms or a longer drive to work. How you frame these benefits will really help your buyer see clearly, because it's simple. If there are too many points on the cost side, then it's not a good decision. If the benefits outweigh the costs, then they found a winner. Remember, sometimes less is more. Showing buyers too many properties won't make their decision easier. However, what will make it easier is having you by their side with a cool head and patient understanding to guide them through one of the biggest choices they might ever make. Rewatch the video if you think you missed anything, and then stay tuned for the next video in our series to learn how to confidently overcome the most common objections.